Hi children, welcome back to the class which is discussing about water as a resource. We know that we get water from rivers, ponds, lakes, rain, wells and hand pumps. The water in rivers, ponds and lakes is not pure. It contains dirt, mud, sand and germs. Water that has no impurity is called pure water. Pure water is a very important constituent of food. Every cell in our body contains 90% of water. Water is necessary to maintain the fluidity of blood, digestion, excretion, and for maintaining the body temperature. Water is also used for washing, cooking, etc. The purest form of water is distilled water or purified water. Distilled means purified. It is used for daily life activities and for preparation of medicines, etc. Second form of pure water is rainwater after the first few showers. It can be used like distilled water. Why it is telling like second form of pure water means while the rain is reaching to the earth, it may affect to some of the pollutions. That's why it is considered as the second form of pure water. Water from deep wells is also quite pure, but water from taps and tanks must be purified before storing and utilization. Impurities in water are of different forms and kinds. Now, what do you mean by impurities? The substances that pollute water are called water impurities, or we can say that the substances that make water unfit for use are called impurities. Now, how these water impurities are caused? Water is being polluted by throwing wastes into rivers, oil leakage by water transport, etc. These impurities are of two types. They are soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. Impurities that can be dissolved in water are called soluble impurities. Salt, any other chemicals are the examples for soluble impurities. Next one is insoluble impurities. The impurities that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble impurities. I will repeat once again. The impurities that cannot be dissolved in water are called insoluble impurities. Sand, mud, pieces of rocks, remains of dead plants and animals are some examples for insoluble impurities. Now let us see some of the examples which makes water pollute. First one is throwing garbage and waste in water bodies. Then release of sewage coming from houses into water bodies makes the water pollute. Sewage means dirty water. Release of harmful waste from factories makes the water dirty. Washing clothes on riverbanks and bathing of animals in rivers and ponds are the other ways of making water dirty. So make sure that you are not polluting water by any of these means. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.